So budgeting can be a pain in the ass, but luckily for you, today's budgets aren't a big of a pain as others like the zero-based budget. They're budgets, so they're not exactly fun, but if you want to take control of your money, then it's a great idea to have one. Today's budgets are percentage-based budgets, and those are usually simpler to follow than other kinds, like the zero-based budget. But because they're simpler, they come with a huge con that I'll talk about at the end of the video. And if at the end of the video you don't think either of these budgets are right for you, the 50-30-20 or the 10-20-70, then make sure you check out my video on the zero-based budget. So like I promised, these budgets are simple. The 50-30-20 says that 50% of your take-home income should be for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for debt, saving, and investing. For the 10-20-70 budget, 10% is for giving, 20% is for debt, savings, and investing, and 70% is for both wants and needs. The numbers don't have to be exact, but they're simple budgets that are easy to follow. You can follow them with pen and paper, or because it's 2021, you can use a website or an app. I personally use EveryDollar. Now for the biggest con with percentage-based budgets is something called lifestyle creep. When you make more money, each category will go up because they're percentages. Now it's awesome if your savings or investing goes up, but if your lifestyle is fine the way it is now, then why should your needs and your wants go up? So if your lifestyle is fine the way it is now, you should consider putting the extra money towards saving or investing instead of splitting it through all the different categories. If you've never heard of lifestyle creep, it could cost you a lot of money throughout your life. So make sure you check out the video I've made on lifestyle creep. And if you want more budgeting videos, make sure you check out my budgeting playlist. And that's it. That's the whole video. Rest in peace, my watch time, but I hope you learned something new.